Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Saja. Today, let's test your English. I have 10 multiple choice questions for beginners. Read the question, choose your answer, and wait for the correct one. Let's start.
Choose the correct sentence. She go to school every day. She goes to school every day. She going to school every day. What is the correct question? You like coffee? Do, does, are. Choose the correct word. I have apple. A, on, the. Choose the correct answer. He a teacher. Are, is, am. Which one is correct? I am agree. I agree. I agreeing. Choose the correct sentence. She don't like tea. She doesn't like tea. She not like tea. Fill in the blank. We happy today. Is, am, are. Choose the correct word. I TV every evening. Watch, watches, watching. Which sentence is correct? He have two brothers. He has two brothers. He having two brothers. Choose the correct question. Is your name? What? Where? How?
How many answers did you get right? Write your score in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.